Hey, what's up guys? Your boy Kawan over here. Welcome to Smash Trading, right? And thanks for watching another video here. So this video we're gonna talk about moving averages and a bit the difference between EMAs and SMAs as type of moving averages. Please consider subscribing to my channel, activate the bell, so each time, which is every week, I come up with a new video, you wouldn't miss out, and then watch and then see what it's about, and then hopefully you implement whatever is said, whatever shown, so you see and then you try yourself as well, and then hopefully you come back and then share your thoughts about the, let's say, strategy, the ways and the definitions and all the stuff, good stuff said inside the video. So that's out of the way. Let's see if I go to my favorite trading view. And then first of all, if you notice, I go about EMAs a lot, so it's part of my strategy, having it as a confluence, guys. So it's not going to confirm alone solely to determine whether you're going to buy or sell, but then it's one of the the strongest confluences I have, whether to go short or go long with the assets, with the pairs I'm trading with. But beforehand, what we have over here, we have EMAs, as you see over here. Again, if you checked it out, which I always show in my videos, I always use them in most of my strategies. So we have this EMA as an indicator, which comes in 4, like 20, 50, 100 and 200. As it goes higher, it becomes slower, and then becomes way let's say less sensitive to price move, which is not what really, let's say, scalpers and day traders want. Let's say with 120, 200, way, max can go to 50, but I personally prefer 20 myself. So that's EMA. And then we have this one, simple moving average, which actually you can find it for free again on indicator tab. So you're gonna go and then do SMA, and then it's gonna bring you up this one, which actually you can define what's the length you want. So you can do 220 to 50 or 100 or whatever. It's basically both of them lag, because as I said, as confluence is fine to find to show you about the whether short term or medium term kind of trend of your price of the asset or pairs you're trying to trade. So over here, as you see, guys, so these vertical lines indicates, if I come to around 6 o'clock, indicates, in my case, I'm actually talking about myself, so indicates about the time I'm waking up, UK time. So it's around 6:30, so I wake up and then let's say check. This is a recent time for one of my favorite, again I keep saying it, GBAUD, and then I checked it. Let's say this is like, let's say this was this was, let's say, yesterday, Tuesday. So over here on 15 minutes, one of my favorite time frames again to trade. I was over here, we see relying on EMA, exponential moving average. So we can see price is trying to break through it, and then a bit of moving average and a bit of the previous lesson about doji candles. We see price is trying to break through it, and then actually having if you check this candlestick as well, price is resisting and giving a long wick at the lower half of the candle. So price is trying to break, but then point is you should really consider having lower lengths of either SMA or EMA if you try to scalp. Let's see, scalp over here, then higher one, because I saw in some videos on YouTube people try to use 100 or 200, moving averages or EMA. So if we try to have them on the chart, we will see what I'm talking about. Even 100 price is less sensitive. It's actually less effective for us. Look how much behind the 100 move of EMA even, which is more weighted than SMA would be. That's why I'm not really using 100 at all in my trading strategy. Again, if you were a swing trader, that could work for us, for you guys. Let's say from this time of Monday from 11, you could get to this sell trade and then actually swing that trade as its name goes, and then maybe get out around here when you see this resistance over here. But then to me it never is gonna work, and then I just stick to 20. So I'm quite happy with 20. That's why that was one of the differences between the lens of the EMA or SMA you're gonna choose. It depends on the strategy and trading style you got. So the shorter kind of time frame wise trader you are, the shorter and the faster moving average lens you're gonna choose, whether 10, 20, in my case 20 or 50 maximum. But then let's say for swing traders goes above 50, 100 or even 200. This goes to our strategy as part of confluence. It's not gonna determine, actually, let's say we're gonna buy over here. Okay, just because it's above moving average, we're gonna buy. So we have to pay attention to price action, the type of candles over here. Let's see if we were gonna take this candle just because price is over here. We wouldn't take it because we see, oh, recently price rejected over here. So that's price action, guys. Over here, if you notice, a lot of long wigs on top, and then we had this doji earlier, indication of price, likelihood of price trend to shift, which it did. We could have entered sell. Moving averages could be great confluence for us to determine whether short or medium term trend. What we can do, we could add maybe one EMA or SMA together as we have over here, or alone, and then try to have more confluences for our strategy, and then try to have more confirmed decision for us. Let's say over here we're gonna say, okay, price is trying to let's say we initially over here price was above both of moving and like SMA and EMA averages, but then sellers tried to push it down, couldn't. We show the resistance over here, actually touched the SMA. This kind of purple one is SMA 20, so touched that and then went up, and then that shows us that could be another confluence for us. Let's say if you could just come over here, a stop loss could be just below this long wig over here, and then our take profit could be 1, 2 or wherever we see, let's say, these doji candles over here. So yeah, that was just a quick guide to how to use moving averages, guys, which is quite easy. It doesn't need to be complicated where some of these gurus try to make it complex. It's just moving average, so you don't need to calculate anything. Everything is down for you. So you just go to indicators and then you choose one of these indicators. In my case it's this one, which I'm quite happy with this. So I'm really happy with EMA. And then please consider subscribing to my channel. As always, activate the bell, and then I will see you in next one. Have a nice time and bye.